Do you want to start sublimation? You can. You're going to need a printer, some ink, some paper. You're going to need a software, some blanks, press, tape, pillows. Hi, I'm Heather. Let's talk about sublimation every Saturday together. I have only ever used HTVRont sublimation paper. I have only ever used the Epson Echo tanks. And I have only ever used Easy Ink, sublimation ink. I don't claim to be an expert. I just want to show you what you can do too. I've worked really hard to create a space that works for me that I can share with you. I hope you like this video. I hope you want to subscribe with the notifications on for every Saturday sublimation in this series. And leave a comment. What can I do better? What do you like? I'll be sure to grow with you if you grow with me too. Today, I want to show you keychain wristlets I got off of Amazon. I am designing in Design Space. I'll be printing. I'll be cutting on the Cricut Maker. And I'll be pressing with the Viver Auto Press, or maybe even the Easy Press. I won't know till I get going what works the best. I like these printers. It is the most affordable Echo tank in the series. I got mine at Walmart, but I see they are available at Amazon now. We're going to jump into Design Space. This is what I have created thus far. I took a simple shape. I unlocked the proportions. I made it 3/4 of an inch wide, 5 inches tall. That's the size of the actual wristlet each side. I made it white. The text I'm using is varsity font. It comes in 2 layers. You can leave that off or you can change it by turning it on. I picked her team colors. I sized it. It's smaller than the width of the blank, so it'll fit nicely. I turned it 90 degrees. I did not turn on the second layer. Grab all 3 layers. Align horizontally. Flatten. Duplicate. You have the front and the back. I like to save as I go. Design space can have its moments. I turn off bleed, use system dialog. I load one sheet of paper at a time in my printer. I like to use a light grip mat. If you don't have a light grip mat, you can easily use standard grip that you've used lots of times and is not so sticky. The machine, it has to read those registration marks, the four corners. Then it can begin its cut. You can pre-press your blank to make sure it's nice and flat. And yeah, I'm going to do them all one at a time. Did my best to lift straight up. Ditch the cover sheet. It'll be hot. Do not touch those rings. And then I just flipped it over and did the other side. I care about safety. You'll almost always hear a fan going in my videos. I have it right outside the door. I'm going to call Saturday Sublimation Series Week 1 a success. I did not have to redo any of them. None of them. Thank you so much. I hope you have the best day, night, weekend, and I'll see you next Saturday.